In this tutorial, I am going to show you how to test a webhook on Gumroad. First, open Gumroad in your browser and log in to your account. After signing in, go to your dashboard. Next, open the settings section from the left sidebar and go to the advanced or developer settings where webhook options are available. Here, you can add or review your webhook URL. Your webhook URL is usually provided by your app, server, or automation platform like Zapier, Make, Postman. You can also use testing tools such as webhook.site, Postman. These tools help you capture and inspect webhook requests from Gumroad. Paste your webhook URL into the webhook field on Gumroad and save the changes. Now it's time to trigger a test event. You can do this by making a small test purchase or using a sandbox test product if available. After triggering the event, go back to your webhook testing tool and check whether the request was received successfully. You should verify the webhook status code is 200. The JSON payload contains the correct data. The event information matches your purchase or action. You should also check your server logs if you are using a custom backend. If the webhook does not work, double check the webhook URL, HTTPS support, firewall or server restrictions, JSON formatting, authentication settings. Always test your webhook before going live so your automations work correctly without missing sales or customer data. And that's how to test a Gumroad webhook. Thanks for watching and goodbye.